None whatsoever. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Benzinga family. How is everyone doing today on this down morning? A couple of stocks on our radar. CYTK. A couple of peeps just grabbed it on our 15 EMA. Took some profits for like 50, 60 cents. That is on our radar, a wackadoodle one. We were hoping to get a little more follow through down this morning, but things are bounces already. Which is usually what happens when the spiders pull one of these. We got some orders out lower in GameStop, AMC, and a bunch of other stocks. If they get to certain levels, I want to show you guys the spiders because we're on a pretty important level right now on our weekly chart. So you can see we held this weekly level. Morning, guys. All year, basically. All right? So 425.71 is our 9 EMA on the weekly with a gap down to 419. And this morning, we basically got to 425.71. So that's a pretty important level to hold. So we'll see what happens as the day goes on. So right around 425.70, and then we got a gap down to 420. So are we going to get a little normal pullback? It's going to be something bigger than that. Time will tell. This is a morning that we're being careful. I'm not running in and doing anything. I have no idea which way stocks are going to go. So I know days like this, when you walk in with a giant long portfolio, it is not fun, right? That's the one thing good about trading is we don't ever force to do anything. NRXP, let's take a look. There's another one that ripped up this morning. Kind of just hanging, maybe 1150, guys. But again, that could be the bloom off the rose. Yeah, I think we're going to see some of these COVID stocks get some bids now. Myrna would be a short up at 293 if we spike all the way up there. We got earnings coming out this week, guys and gals, which is great. We're going to start getting really busy. NPXP. Don't have it. What is it? NP? Give me the right symbol. I don't have that one. So everything's kind of rallying strongly off the opening, which negates any things that we were looking for to go down today. What else is new? Look at space, guys. We see space at 27.50, guys. Right? That was the freaking weekly level. Look at that. Couldn't spike down in this morning. Well, maybe we still will. Let's see what happens. And that. Myrna rocket ship. Myrna. All right, again, 293 was a spot if it spikes all the way up there. I know, space came within 25 cents earlier. Wackadoodle. And RXP. Ooh, the NRXP trust almost tickled that 1150, but again, I don't even know if I like that one. Yeah, FVIN's a buyout. It's not going to do anything. Oh, come on, space. Go back down. Crazy. GameStop, dead. AMC, I want him dead. Spider's dead. Too early for Myrna at the pivot point. Small caps bouncing a little bit. No, I mean, I would have shorted Myrna if we got right up there to that 293.10. Keep your eyes on it. That's up $10. CYTK getting a little bit of a bid again. Kind of hanging. I don't know if anybody's still in that now. Yeah, it's all about, I think it's all about COVID and its ugly head being raised this morning. Yeah, I'm not shorting the video, guys. I wanted to buy it on a big pullback. Maybe 731 NVIDIA. You can short a tiny little bit. Try. But you know how I feel about NVIDIA. We finally had our first good trade in 6 months in that trade. Yeah, we're going to get a lot of actions when the earnings start coming out. Yes, agreed. VIX's getting a little stretched. All right, see what the next move is in Myrna. This thing's wackadoodle ski. SPY broke below. AMC hit the 65 on the pivot. All right. 299 is the next spot in the Myrna. Guys and girls, it's very early. All right. Just relax. It's very, very early. I am not in a hurry. Yeah, well, you know, Ernie, you got to give a couple of dollars if you're going to do it. 293 didn't get stopped out. It just went down to 291. All right, just stay small for now. Again, that's good. You tried it. You had a small amount of shares. You lost 17 bucks. And the video, I think Myrna wants 300 now, right? Usually when stock, 90% of stocks that go to 290 go to 300. How about that? You guys know that? That's a fact, Jack. Some people call me the space cowboy. Did the market open, guys? Jeez Louise. Some call me the gangster of love. Yes, all the travel stocks are getting hit. NRXP. All right, again, keep NRXP tight. If you got a little 1150 or 1140, whatever it was, just keep it very tight. CYTK. All right. Any of you guys hold a little of that CYTK? There you go. Nice job, Richard. Nice job. You out now? I'm hoping. See what the next move is. Eric the Red, Clorox, Ericsson, no thoughts. $11 stock with no volume. Nice job, Richard. Made 500 bucks holding it off the opening. Carnival's rallying leave is a little bit. This market is just dead at the moment. Why couldn't space get to our level, huh? No, we still have the space option, right? The 2750. Everything shot up. Yeah, again, the video, you want to try 732. That's up $20 from the low. That'll probably work for a little shortsky-wartsky. Kind of what we thought was going to happen this morning. We ain't getting any of these orders. Not happening. Not happening. Yeah, Clorox is up because of the pandemic. Yes. That's a good call. Whoever called it. Look at this thing. Very nice. Peloton's probably okay. Right? Yes. Leave AMC. All right, where were we? Wow, look at AMC. Got to the 200. 30-30 AMC. Yeah, we'll look for a far from moving average trade. You guys remember when I was with you a couple of weeks ago and AMC broke $54, right? And we said it was all over for that stock. Yeah, let's leave a little at 30-30. That'd almost be a far from moving average trade. That's good. Yep. Palantir, again, some people are long this at 2170. I like it around 1950. In Palantir, long term, 1950 is a spot. CYT. Kurt, don't post trades unless you post them before you get in them, please. Thank you. Yeah, otherwise it doesn't do anyone any good. People, if you're having trouble with Think or Swim, guys, be careful. Be careful. CYTK is shortable? All right. Maybe 31, 31.50. I'm afraid of getting a stop in that. Guys, if you're having trouble with Think or Swim, do not trade. Okay? I'm telling you right now, just don't trade. Let it settle in. Yeah, I think Tesla can go to below 600 if the market comes in a little bit here. I'm not in a hurry to buy Tesla. Not in a hurry to buy anything, guys. This market just stinks on ice today. All right, but I know sometime NVIDIA 731.70 if you want to try it small. All right. 731.70 is a spot. 731.70. Small. Zoom. We're gonna zoom. Yeah, zoom pulled back to the 200. Why is everything down today? I think there's a little COVID fear creeping back into the market. That's why. That's all. Zoom bounced off the pivot point, gave you $1. Very nice. Yes. Win off the pivot point. Myrna. Oh my God, Myrna. Yeah, I mean 299.80 is Myrna. 299.80. Myrna 29980. 29980. Probably wants to tickle 300, right? CYTK. Yeah, it made a new high and pulled back. There you go. Thank you, Earl. SQ, give me a level, guys. 223.20 SQ, Jeremy. I like that. Right? 223.20 SQ. We go down to that level. I like it. Work pulled back. Yes, Myrna was a better buy. Obviously. No, we want to buy Myrna on a pullback. That's all. AMC heading back down. Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll see what the spiders do here. If they break down from here, we're going lower. We're going lower. So we just broke the first little spot in the spiders, guys, on the weekly chart. So we really got nothing until like 421 now. Selling short Myrna at 298 with an add. All right. The level is 299.70. I will start with 10 shares there. 299.70. Do it very small, guys. 299.70. Like I said, I think it wants to go to 300. But we'll try 299.70. And 370 on this pop-up. Trade. Order the short CYTK at 32. Let's look. 32. All right. Just be careful. Do it small if you're going to do it. Start small anyway. The video just hit the level. And ripped right through. Wow. Everything's just ripping, guys and gals. I'm not in a hurry. I don't know what the hell this market's going to do today. I really don't. Maybe 738 NVIDIA, but that's a crazy freaking stock. Everything's crazy. I can't buy now because things are too stretched to the upside. You know what I'm saying, Praheet? I mean, 738 NVIDIA is probably a good little spot. But I think it just tickled it and went down $3.50. NVIDIA. Wow. All right. Cancel Myrna. We're getting a little pullback. Yep. But NVIDIA just hit that and pulled back $3. Holy mackerel. Yeah, we got to wait for pullbacks now on some of these things. Look at Myrna, guys. We had 299.70. We missed it by 5 cents. It's down $2.50. 5 cents. in a $300 stock. How do you miss something by 5 cents? That's wackadoodle. Look at the video too, guys. Down $4. Down $4 in the video. 738. We gave you 738. I don't know if anyone got 738 in the video, but take your profits if you did. Missed by 5 cents, Brian? Oh my God. All right, guys, we got to just be patient. I don't mind $30 puts on AMC. Buying them, not selling them. And I think that stock's going to 20. Maybe not today, but I think it's going to 20. Yep. Cancel, cancel. Look, guys and gals, it's one of the mornings where nothing should be forced on. We said it before the open. Right? Do not touch NRXP. That thing is done for the day, Emmanuel, I think. Yeah, all right. First time was the trade in the video. I mean, this thing's got room now. We want to buy this on a pullback. I mean, it got there, gave you a trade. Now it's not doing anything. You still got AMC out at 30. All right, let me know if we get anywhere near there. There, I don't think anything about it. It's a dollar stock. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. Yeah, Clorox is a better buy than sell. We need a pullback to buy Clorox. All these things are better buys now, guys and gals. NVIDIA, Myrna. It's amazing how these things hit our levels, though, and that's it. Right? I mean, exactly to the pivot. We missed that by 5 cents in Myrna. Went down $2.50. I mean, really? Any thoughts on SPY for the day? CCIV, I don't see anything, guys. I mean, again, we held the level, right? We got a little bit below it, and we ripped a dollar back up. So we're good now. You know, again, we have to break that 425.70. Look, guys and gals, everybody, I don't know how many people are with us in Benzinga. I know I have 130 people in my room. It's sit on hands time. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't see anything that I want to do. Not right now. I just don't. Saw you added Myrna at 300. All right. Where'd you start? 298 and 300. So your average is 299. All right. Look, if that thing gets you in a profit at some point, you know, a buck or two, stop buying it back. Yeah. I mean, we got nothing here. I mean, the video is a far from moving average trade, guys. Right? Hey, why don't we look? I mean, we did it on the buy side. Maybe we'll do it on the sell side. Right? We are $10 above the moving average. Let me put a marker at 742. All right, let's look at the video, guys. We'll go to the 1 minute. If it doesn't go, I just gave it to you at 741.80. Now, I would have just tried to grab 741.80 for a short look. I mean, it already went down $1. Right? 741.80, it gave it to you. Cover a little at 741. Cover a little at 740. And that was it. I know I'm not taking a position in the video, but that was the trade. He just gave $2 off the far from moving average trade. Boom. Right? And I said we looked at it on the downside. Let's look at it on the upside today. So there's your red bar around 742, and it just gave you $2. Right? Boom, chaka-laka-laka. No, we'll play earnings. We'll play everything. Can't wait for earnings this week. Yeah, NVAX hit that level and pulled back. Myrna. Wow, no pullback in Myrna, guys. Stay away from Myrna. I want to be long Myrna. Space the final frontier. Again, we wanted our 29.50 in space. We have 27.50 puts that we sold in space because we wanted to start a long position down there. Well, we'll see what happens. They're actually down. Guys, where did we sell those space options? 162, right, guys? In space, aren't we in that at 162? Pretty sure we are. $1.62. So, you know, guys, if this gets to I don't know, depending on how many you have, cover some at $1. Why not? Right? I mean, 300 so far will be break the $5 AEHR. If you have multiples in space, cover some at $1, guys. 60 cents is a big move in an option. So there it was in the video. That was the top. Now it gave you a $3.50 trade. We need Myrna to pull in here for Solly. Solly, you know, around 300 and then 297. Maybe start pulling back a little bit. No, I didn't close the space put. No. But we should bid $1 for some, guys. All right. I have multiples, but we're in at $1.60. I'm going to cover some at $1. I only have one in this here, but let's cover some at $1. All right, guys. Cover a little at $1. I think we're fine. I mean, I think those are going to 0. I would take 50 cents on the rest of the options, guys, and get out. Okay, in space. That would be a 150% trade. Space could be a short at 31.13, so I might get out of all that. 31.13. The option's working good. We had the 27.50 puts that we sold for $1.62, and they are now 90 cents. So if we get 50 cents on them, we're out. Otherwise, we hold them for a little bit. Boeing. Why is Boeing so bad? I'd rather be short Boeing. Right? PLUG. So for those of you who are visiting with us, we do options, swing trading. We do everything. Yeah, they were for the 13th in space. Space could be a short, guys, at 31.13 for a trade. I'm certainly shorting it at 32.20. Let's keep our eyes on it. Roblex, plug power. Pluggy could be a nice little uptrend starting. Looks okay. Roblex. Roblex I hate. That's a tough stock, Quebec. But it looks good right now. Looks like a better buy than sell. Yes, Steven, thank you. CYTK bounced off the 15-minute. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. No, how about it bounced off our 200 EMA? Right there at 28.40. Our 65 EMA. Come on, where were my CYTK traders when we got down there? That was a freaking spot. That was gorgeous. Holy, oh, I'm on a 1-minute chart? Okay. All right, whatever. Richard, you're still in it? Good. Excellent. Come on, Space. Get us out of those at 50 cents. I'd be very happy with that. Yes. How many people have the options in Space? In the room. Yes, the puts that we sold. Boom, 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 boom. Excellent, guys. Little extra income. ZM 200 daily. Unless it's really stretched from here, I don't like it. Yeah, here's the gig. All right. All right, guys. Market's coming in like a hot potato. Can we get some stocks to come in? So we just broke that level now. Right? On a weekly chart. So next stop I got is like 420. I'd love to see a spike down there. We will short the crap out of VXX. What do we got in VXX? 3404. Putting a marker out in VXX, 3404. Be careful on the buy side now, guys, right? Look at the market. We're getting crushed like a potato locker. 34. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever VIXY goes up, it's a short. We just got to pick the right spots. That's all. Alexa, in the private trading room, make sure you're hitting all of us, not just me. All right? Sal, if you get to break even or so in this Myrna, I would take a tiny bit off. Okay? If you get to break even, you don't know what this thing's going to do. I know your average is right around here, 299. So Maybe take a little bit off. Let it come in further. GM, 52.80. No. Again, generally speaking, guys, why do I want to buy GM, Tom? When the market's going down, the stock's in a downtrend, I would rather be short GM. Not at this level, but no, don't try to catch a falling knife. No, 51.60 is our next support by the charts, right? You know, when we look and we see the market getting crushed like this, why do you want to buy stocks? I do not want to buy stocks. Not now, anyway, unless we get far from moving average trades. You know, we got a beautiful one in the video on the short. Still very strong, the video, though. Very, very strong. Come on, space, go up. Actually, I don't care what space does now. APT, yes, sir. Again, APT is not going to be for a short trade, a day trade. If you like an $8 stock, generally speaking, guys, we're not trading stocks less than $20, $25 because we're looking at day trade. ZM, what do you got? Daily. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. 344.60 is daily in ZM. Boeing, we're looking far from moving average. Yeah, we're getting there. Oh, it's only $2 away. Here. Again, Boeing, guys, 203.60 is where we look far from moving average, Chris. Right? We got a spot there. Let's look for some technical analysis that tells us where to start doing these things, right? Let the market get bagel schmeared. We'll look at 203.60 for a far from moving average. Apple short. I told everybody last week I sold Apple for the first time in a long, long time out of my long-term portfolio. And I think I sold it like between 147 and 148, and it went higher. No matter how good a company is, no matter how good a stock is, I want to show you the weekly chart of Apple, and it got ridiculous. Okay? So I like to see this come into 140, 135, and I'll replace a little of what I sold all the way up higher. Those are the levels. So between 140 and 135 is a spot to get back into Apple. Yes, bagel schmeared is a trading expression. You guys never heard of bagel schmeared? Yes, it's a technical term. It's in the trading dictionary. When something is going down a lot, it's getting bagel schmeared. 294 could be a spot in Myrna on a trend. That stock is very, very strong. EXR, a buy for long term. Let's look. EXR does not trade enough volume for me to ever get involved in it. I just wouldn't. Boeing. Yeah, we need Boeing down a little bit more. I mean, it did probably just gave you a far from moving average trade right there, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about this market right now, so I'm not in a hurry, guys. What we want, everybody, is this market to get crushed from here right down to 420 and set up some beautiful opportunities down there. That's what we want. IWM, let's look. I would still like IWM at 207, absolutely. Yes, 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 yes. That's the daily level, right? Yes. 207.20 to be exact in IWM. You can have that out there. ALF. Well, that's it. Quantitative octopus. I'm not trading unless something sets up for me to trade. That's all. Yeah, I'm making a bunch on the space options. Finally, a real trader showing his real account. Yes, Sean, I do it every single day, all day with my private trading room. For better or for worse. And we don't make money on every trade. We don't make money every day. Anyone who tells you that is lying. We don't lose very often, but everybody has winning trades and losing trades. Yeah, I'm surprised CYTKA is so strong here. You guys want to jump in this thing? I guess this has nothing to do with the market, right? Nothing whatsoever. I've been doing this for 35 years, Mr. Octopus. The only thing I've ever done my whole life. I don't know how to do anything else. This is it. I bought some QQQ puts as it went below the 21 EMA, 350 target. Yeah, if we continue down, yes, absolutely. Again, the trend line in that is 349.50. So that would be my target if we continue down. It's early in the day. The market likes to tease everybody by thinking it's going to get crushed, and then it never happens. Best advice I received in those 35 years, learn your craft and be humble. Don't talk about how much money you make ever. Just do your job. No, I was a specialist broker on the Florida, New York Stock Exchange for 18 years. And I retired when I was 38 years old when Goldman Sachs bought our firm for $6.5 billion. At the beginning of 2000, the end of 1999. So I was a market maker for 18 years. I can't believe how quiet this market is already, right? Jeez Louise. We're down 600 points and nothing's moving. Mike, we use a 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. Have you blown up a lot of accounts? Only once when I first started trading, when I left the floor. I lost $300,000 in 3 months because I knew everything. I didn't know what technical analysis was. I never used it. It took me a couple of years to get that money back. And for the last 10 years, I've been teaching people and trading for my own account. Everyone at one point or another has blown up a trading account, unfortunately. What we teach you is to never let that happen. Ever, ever, ever. Through our course, through my boot camp, through the live trading room. Market coming in more now, right? Let's just get to 420 already. How do you get a job like that? You don't anymore. There's no such thing as a New York Stock Exchange anymore. It's gone. Yeah, I mean, again, it's a trade. If you shorten the QQQs here, 350 could be your target, but you always want to take some money off the table when it starts going in your direction. All right, AMC again, guys, now. We're only looking for a far from moving average trade. Yeah, I like the VIX above 34 to short a little bit, guys. Kenny, maybe stay with it a little bit. I like it a little bit above 34. We'll add to it if it goes higher. We're going to get a bounce in this market at some point. And this thing is built to go down. But keep it very small, Kenny. It is getting stretched. The next spot we have in AMC, okay, we just broke the weekly, is $20. We had puts in that for a long time. We had 40 puts in this a couple of weeks ago. Tesla crushing you right now because it's going to go down with the market. I think Tesla goes to 595. 598 is a spot in Tesla. Yeah, we shorted a tiny bit of VXX. Yeah, if you get 30 cents for a trade, take it, and we'll look to get back in. That's all. But I want to keep shorting this as it goes up. I'm going to short 10 shares every 50 cents. You know it's going to come back at some point. Could be, Joseph, but again, we called AMC when it broke below $54 as a short. Below 54. Now space is staying strong, right? Sick. Boeing. All right, Boeing, do your thing, baby. 203.60 will be down $5. We'll look for a far from moving average trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Let's go, spiders. Go right to 420. At 420 spiders, I'm aggressive in VXX, guys. At 420 in spiders. It's only 3 points from there. This thing maybe will go up another $1. Maybe. Maybe. Again, beauty about being a trader. We don't have to run and do anything. We just sit back and look. 20-year-old second-year trader here, but I'm struggling to keep motivation. Struggling why? Because you're not doing well? That's the question. Why are you struggling? First of all, 20 years old, you shouldn't be trying to do this for a living. Go out there and live your life. I'm just being honest with you. Yeah, you got to be dedicated. I mean, this is not an easy thing to do. Not an easy thing to do. Yeah, it's all about money management. Everything's about money management. Why isn't space going down now? I love our space options now, right? Market's going down. This thing's going up. So Apple, I will probably start replacing some stock about 137, guys. And I won't do it until after the earnings come out, which are next week. So told you guys last week I want to buy puts in Apple, but too late now. Micron, dead, sitting in the water, not doing anything. Problem again, and you got everybody in the room knows it, right? We're not going to get a spike down 400 points after being down 500 points, you know? I would shoot for 50 cents in the VIXY or just add to it if it goes higher. Period. NVIDIA coming in now. No, see how strong the NVIDIA is staying? Jeez Louise. That's crazy. No pullback in the NVIDIA. No real pullback in Myrna either. Why are they so strong? Far from moving average trade in ZM. All right, if someone got it, that's great. Ah, that's right, Sydney. You're 100% right. People are buying the NVIDIA for the split. You're right. Well, Dubai, I'd love to see the spiders get down to that 420 level, and then I would buy like in the money puts. If the spiders get down to that 420 level. I'd buy in the monies or short some stock and just hold on to it. VXX is built to go to zero. Plug power, I don't see anything. I don't know if I want to buy it here. Catherine, how far is far from moving average? At least $1.50 from the closest moving average. And we need above an 80 RSI going up or below a 20 RXI going down. RSI going down. Yeah, you're getting a little bounce in NRXP, but I didn't see any level to get involved in it. You know? Maybe you had something down there, but I didn't see it. All that stuff, guys, we teach in the course and in the boot camp. You guys are in on NRXP? Give me prices, guys, and post these before you get in them, please. Bought Myrna at 200, sold at 225. That's good. That's all right. You can't look back. Well, man, you made 25 points. What's wrong with that? AMC, I would short AMC at 32.97. You know, this market's susceptible to. We're getting a little bit oversold now, guys and girls, in the spiders. So I'm not in a hurry to short anything either. I'm sorry, guys and girls, but I'm not going to trade unless something sets up to trade. Yeah, Chewy just ripped through everything. It's a better buy than sell now. Yes. No, you can't look back. You'll kill yourself looking back every time you do something. Space. Yes, I will short space at 32.27. Let's put it out. I like that for a trade. Get out of the options if it gets up there. Take our money and run. Because why do I want to short the stock and be in a put? I hedge that. But no, I just like it for a trade. It's good. 32.27. Depends on is your course a monthly fee or one-time purchase? Two different things, Mike. We'll talk about it before we get out of here. Let's see if we can get a couple more trades. My private trading room has nothing to do with the course. The course has nothing to do with my private trading room. Depends on how much time you have, what you can afford, yada, 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 but we'll talk about it later. When we get into a short, Nick, if I short space at 32.27, I look to make between 25 and 75 cents on the trade. Any trade that we do, we usually look to make between 25 cents and $2, depending on the price of the stock. And that's just for a day trade. VIXY, where are we in this? 34.04. So let's cover it if we can at 33.64. Try to get 40 cents out of it. Otherwise, I want to add to it if it goes back up. NVIDIA. That's a runaway train. Never pulled back to anything anyway. So your next spot in NVIDIA is 753. And again, I'm not in a hurry to short that one. The dots are pivot points. ACY, pivot points. We use them like we would a regular moving average. Same thing. If a stock moves too far and hits one of our pivot points, we'll make a trade off that. 745 call. That's a great spot. Wow. Nice job. Nice job, Sydney. Chewy's a better buy, guys. On a nice pullback. Vern is obviously a better buy on a nice pullback. I hope you got out of that where I told you to, Solly, all the way down there. You could have made a couple of bucks. You know, trading is trading and investing is investing, right? You know, I do everything here. I help my traders with their longer term stuff. A little bounce on the spiders. At this point, I want the spiders to still keep going down. Really. Down market affords more opportunities than an up market. But I can tell you this, ladies and gentlemen, it's 10-10, right? It's 10-10. How many people we have with us in Benzinga joining us today? It's 10-10. That means we've been trading for 40 minutes, and this market is completely dead. Even the volume's starting to dry up already, right? I mean, it's just whack. I love this guy. I'm sorry I don't know you. Is this a special live? We do it every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Mo, man. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I trade the openings live, talk about a little longer-term stuff that we do. You guys are incredible, knowledgeable about the market. Awesome job. Thank you guys for it. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We aim to please. There's no bullshit here. We're the real deal. The course is spectacular that we've curated. We'll talk about it later. I hate Bitcoin. You know me in Bitcoin, guys. I think Bitcoin goes to 19,000 if we break these levels. Ooh, MTSL. All right. Well, it's a nice one if you have it. But not a day trade. I don't know. Anybody have it? Didi? Well, if Kramer loved it at 18, you got to love it at 11. The one I like now long-term is SoFi. I have a tiny position in it at $16. Wanted to add today at $14.50, but that's a long-term trade. We originally got it at 16. We sold some at 17. That's a long-term one for me. Ouch, what, Hannah? When I buy a stock long-term, I want it to go lower. Oh, yeah, Kramer. Yeah. But when it came out in the IPO, he said buy as much as you can. Buy as much as you can afford. GME. What would you do if you lose 40 out of 50,000? I would try, if you want to stick with it, Terzone, learn how to do it the right way. Buying GameStop sweet dip. Okay. I don't like it. I think it goes to 130 eventually. Again, this is just my personal opinion. My strategy would be try and learn how to do this the right way if it's something you want to stick with. Any options ideas? No, I got nothing, Brenda. I got nothing. But spend money to get educated, right? That's what you got to do. I have a lot of people who've come to me that are stuck in very bad positions that they got in some of these meme stocks that they got caught in because they didn't know better. I can tell you one thing, don't listen to any of that stuff, okay? He won't allow himself to be. He didn't buy it, Hector. You think Kramer buys anything that he talks about? You believe that? Please. I took your course over the weekend, finished day trading in one weekend. Ah, good, Jasmine. Well, don't forget with the course, you're going to get us every Thursday night too, right? I'm buying SoFi again at like $14 long term. Long term. I might buy a little more here. I like SoFi long term. I'm going to grab a little more at 15. Why not? I'm a joker. I'm a joker. We do a swing trade. We start with our smallest amount, and we buy it as it goes down. Thank you, Octopus. Where can I go to get your course? We'll talk about it before we get out of here. I promise. Trying to get a couple of trades set up today. Yeah, NVAX, you got 190, 180, and 190.80. Small and small, Jeremy. Excellent, Boris. Good for you. I own SoFi on the pre-IPO also, so I think our average cost was like $7. Guys, if anyone's in the room is qualified also. I have a beautiful firm that does IPOs. These guys are the best in the business. Now, again, I'm okay in VIXy, Lou. I'm staying with it small. Staying with it small. Again, I want to see the spiders spike right down to freaking 420. That would be nice. We could be down 1,000 points today. Why not? Why not? It's even a longer term play, guys. You know the market's not going to stay down forever. It's just not going to. It never does. Sound like an auctioneer. Yeah, I know. I guess we can cancel space, guys. Very strong, but that's not happening. Boeing, I don't think it's going. Rich, again, keep this very small, okay? I'm keeping it very, very, very small. 423.50 spies trying. Yeah, again, we had a very big level that we broke. I'm hoping for the 420. That's our weekly 15 EMA. No, VIX isn't a daily thing, Adam. No. Not at all. Well, you think it disappears at the end of every day? Again, guys, listen to what I'm telling you. Keep it very small. Just do the amount of shares I do. Okay? All right, what else is going on? Apple, no. NVIDIA. Why is NVIDIA? NVIDIA is crazy strong in this market, right? Why? Not sick. Is NVIDIA this strong? What's the Soxel doing? Is it all these stocks? No, that AMAT, not good. AMC, AMD. Yeah, they're all rallying a little bit now, right? AMG just popped up. Now we're getting some follow through to the downside, guys. Yep. Let's go, baby. So my next 10 shares in VIXy is going to be 35.20. It's amazing how strong these other stocks are, though. I don't get it. No, I do not trade Forex. Just not my gig. Yeah, UVXY is getting stretched out a little bit here, too. And daily's 40. Sitting right on the weekly now. Again, let's see what the spiders do. We've been calling this for a couple of weeks. Let's see what happens. AMC. Why are stocks not doing anything? Right? I don't see any stocks doing anything. Literally. W. Yeah, W's a better buy than sell. My father-in-law is a new millionaire from the video. I always love the video long term. It's another one like Apple. You buy Gigantor dips. We're only down 794 points. Nice. Jasmine, if I'm thinking about doing something for a little longer term, I'll just do 10 shares. Most of my trades are going to be between 50 and 200 shares when we're doing a regular day trade. Yes. And then everybody adjusts based on their own, trading account. How much money they have in to trade. I got bank puts with an exit price of $35.50. Yes, NVIDIA is going to 200 after the split. You got Alpha 40 cents off the VWAP. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it. I've never seen a quieter down 700 points. I can tell you that. Right? No pullback in Merlin. No pullback in NVIDIA. No pullback in AMD. No pullback in space. This is the most boring 700 points I've ever seen. Be careful with CYTK, Jeremy, if we break here. Yes, we use a stop loss on every single day trade that we do, Toner Man. Yes, unless it's something I'm averaging into a little bit, we have a stop loss on every day trade that we do. Yes. Temis? I don't know. Where are we in Temis? Yeah, Temis is sitting right in the middle of everything. What's that, T-Mobile? Yeah, I don't see anything here. I see dead people. Ah, come on. Tesla shooting up now. Yep. Tesla could be a short at 632, maybe. Maybe. Depends on how much of a rally we're going to get now. I do not trade futures. It's just not my thing. I don't know how to do them. SGOC is a dead stick here, guys. Don't like it. Marin. Why would you want to buy Marin? No, thank you. No, 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 no. I don't even see how we can shorten the video, right? Again, it hit a level right here at 753, but it's not giving much of a pullback. It's just a better buy. Crazy how strong that is. Yeah, we're not close enough yet, Rich, in my opinion. I think 420, maybe you want to nibble a little bit. Depends on whether you think we're getting a correction or we're getting this little pullback. A correction in the spiders would be first stop 375. That would be a little correction. I've been in AMD since 11. Very nice. We're not going to see 375 over the next couple of days. No, that ain't going to happen. No. I mean, I don't think. Who knows? Maybe we will. I doubt it. Do I think NEO will go lower? I don't think anything. I try not to think, MTB. Everything we do is based on technicals. Right now it's in the middle of everything. I think it could go to 39. That's my technical spot where I might buy a little bit. I would not go long only on a dip, not a trade, but a net long investment. If things get to our daily and weekly levels, that's when I start looking to start nibbling at stocks. But again, this market has been up so much, so fast. Well, not even fast, but 3287 AMC. Yeah, that could work if it went fast, but let's see. Yeah, I don't think we want a short space. I mean, the stock is incredibly strong. Let's let it run a little bit. Where are our options in space? There's 66 cents, guys. Boom chakalaka. Guys, I'm probably going to get out of at least another 25% at 50 cents in space, all right? And then we'll let the less go. It'll pay for the trade. It actually pays for the trade now. But we'll certainly buy back more at 50 cents, okay? Gabish? Space, guys, options. Everybody with me? Palantir is going. Well, some people started the Palantir at 21.70. I was waiting for that 19 change, but we'll see what happens. I like it again long term. AEHR. Yeah, another AHR. You like AEHR, you buy it for the long term. A-E-A-E-I-O-U. And sometimes why? Oh, AMC, big volume. Yes, picking up a little AMC. That's why I didn't want to short it there. I will short AMC at 34.18. Let's do that. I like that. Probably comes in a little from here, but let's put out 34.18. That's not going to happen either. But one of those days, Alice. It's one of those days. One of those days. Microsoft. That was due for a pullback too. We talked about this one last week. Look at a weekly chart in Microsoft. Just got a little bit ahead of itself. I do not look at tick. I know when the tick shows when something's overbought or oversold, Levi. So it's really the same thing as our relative strength index, which we have on our charts. So I don't look at tick. Relative strength is below 20, it's oversold. And when it's above 80, it's overbought. So that's what we look for using our relative strength. Yeah, these things are so strong. You can probably buy a little AMD on a trend. Yes. You can buy a little NVIDIA on a trend. Yes. I guess we can cancel Boeing, guys. That ain't happening. One of these nights. One of these crazy, 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 crazy nights. Snapper. Again, probably setting up for a better buy than sell. Never thought I would invest $7,400 in Robinhood in just over a year. Did you make money, Nate? You don't invest in Robinhood. You put money into to trade, right? Well, so much for AMC. Shit can. Question is, are we going to get a bigger rally out of the spiders? I wanted the VIXI to keep going up. You son of a beeswax. You know, what we'll do in VIXI, guys, is just cover at 34 now, and then we'll look to sell it back out if it pulls all the way back to 34. I kind of wanted it to keep going up. So we're going to be 34. I had 35.20 out. We missed that by 4 cents. That would have been nice. Be nice and profitable already. This son of a beeswax. NVIDIA to 760. Yeah, did NVIDIA get upgraded or something this morning? I mean, it's crazy. It's up 40 points, NVIDIA, from the low. Oh, that's right, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. I forgot. Yeah, but so there was a split at 8:45 this morning. People knew it was splitting. You know? We knew it was splitting. I don't think so. Now, ZM's right back down already. Is it time to sit on at least 50% cash? Depends on how old you are, Adna. Depends on your situation. Depends on a lot of different things. If you're young, it's never a time to sit on cash. But you go into the market slowly as it goes down. I know, I wanted to get the VIXY at 35.20, guys. We missed that by a penny. It's down $1. Open table. Yeah. Labu. 58.12 coming up from 55.80. Yeah, but I don't like, I hate Labu. I'm not good at that. But 58.90 will short Labu. 100%. What I tell you guys, okay? VIX goes down. It just goes down. It's just built to go down. I mean, we missed selling that freaking thing by 4 cents. We would have got $1 profit on the second part of this already, right? Kiss my tuchus in Macy's window. Oh, maybe we'll get a mine. Thought about it. What's my view on silver mining stocks? I don't know. I can give you my view on silver, which I don't like. It looks like a little downturn in this chart for a little bit. Got room down to 40. So I probably wouldn't be bullish yet on anything silver. Yet. Pen longer term. Let's take a look. Ugh, ugly. Really ugly pen. It is ugly. I mean, I would be all over it as an investor at $47. That's the technicals. Otherwise, you need a bounce from here to get going a little bit. So again, if I'm an investor and I'm looking at pen, I'm not doing anything until it gets to 47. I know it's down 17 points from here, but that's what my technicals are telling me. Open door. All right, anybody have any trades today? I know the room had a couple. Not me. Hard to sit here. Richard did good in CYTK, good. But yeah, CYTA is still holding here. VIXY hit the 9 and bounced. Yeah, all right. We probably should have covered there. Well, we'll see what happens. We missed it by like 3 cents from covering it. No big deal. Not worried about it. If I bought it, I would have sold more at 34.50. Yeah, Myrna never pulled back, right? Jeez Louise. Again, space this morning was the spot. I want to show you guys something in space, okay? I want to show you guys this and why we sold the options, the puts. This stock has got cut in half, okay? And look at my weekly chart. 27.60 was the spot on a weekly chart. This morning, it got to 27.75. Is that amazing? Got cut in half, got exactly to a support level on a weekly chart. And that's why we sold the puts, because we would not mind being long at 27.50. That's when you make investments, right? What is the membership package yearly at market structure? What does that even mean? The membership package yearly? What do you mean, Eden? Eden Garden, Enagata Davida? I don't know what that is, Richard. Yeah, Myrna's just been in a beautiful trend trade all day. Brenda, I got no options ideas right now. No. I got nothing. I got nothing. Spider's heading back down again. You can find a video on a pullback, not me. NVIDIA is one of the stocks that I lose money. I had my first winning trade in NVIDIA in a year last week when we got 4 or 5 points out of a off a moving average trade. That was it. It's just a stock that I don't do well in. But yes, it's in a beautiful uptrend. Yes, yes, yes. ANVS. I don't see a lot of volume in it. Ethereum, NVAX, trend trade. NVAX, I would wait till the 9.9 if you're going to do anything. AMD, 85.80 is good. Apple, it's 136 and change, Apple. 137.60 and then 134.64 are the two spots. But again, we got earnings coming out next week in Apple, so I can't do anything. I wanted to buy puts going into the earnings against some long stock, but didn't get a chance. Well, we'll talk about the class and the course guys in a little bit. I'm trying to see if we can get any other trades to set up, but this market's freaking dead already. AMC was pulling away. Now it's not happening. It's just hanging. GameStop, yes, much better than AMC. I would not be in a hurry to short these things. American Airlines. Yeah, these things are getting beat up because of COVID also. The course is great. I watched it all last week. Now I'm here. Yeah, so Kurt, you get a 5-day free trial with us after you purchase the course. And, of course, you get us every Thursday night. Yeah, Bitcoin bounced, and it's looking a little better to the long side now, Bitcoin. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Boeing still looks like crap. And there's no action in Boeing. It's just sitting here doing nothing. I got nothing. I have nothing anywhere in this market. Oh, sit up straight, David. Thought we had a shot of getting more space. Space around 30, guys. Definitely 29.50 will buy a little bit in space. AMD. Again, let's wait for trends now, guys. Don't jump in on nines. You know, let's wait for trends. Market's starting to come in again a little bit here, so let's see what happens. Are we going to break new lows in the market? Yeah, it is a good day to play golf, Brenda. I'm with you. Yes. I mean, if I could, I would. If I could turn back time. Charge point. Again, looks like a little better buy than sell. Well, you know what they say. He who golfs putts. T-Pour, not enough volume for me to ever trade. Don't like it. So we got 500 people watching us. How many likes do we have going on right now? 6? 5? How many people of everybody who's watching are either day trading to try for a living or actively day trading, you know, with a few trades every day? Give me some ones, guys, from Benzinga. Not my group. I already know you guys. Well, some of you might be visiting. How many people are actively trading, day trading every day, trading a couple of times a day, or would like to get into actively day trading? All my Benzinga people, give me a 1. Let's see what we're dealing with here. CYTK, CYTK. You're short? No, I didn't see that post. I must have missed it, Sydney. So we got a lot of people in this room. All right. So what I always tell everybody is, you know, go shop around, look around out there, try to find some people that you're comfortable with if you learn how to do this. Yeah, we covered some VIXy at 34. Nice. I'm pissed in the VIX that we couldn't add more at 35. We missed it by 2 cents. You know? Right? 2 cents we missed it. But I always tell everybody, you know, there's some good people out there. I just want you to be day trading 6 times full years. Oh, beautiful, Joseph. Just there's a lot of crap out there also, so be very, very careful. You want whoever's teaching you how to do this to be trading live, a real trading account, which there aren't a lot of people out there. You want someone who's going to, if you can afford it, trade with you every single day and walk you through it. And then you want a course where you're really going to learn how to do it, which we've curated. A lot of shysters out there. 9, 15, 65, and 200. And they're all exponential. Yes. And they go in order, in strength order. The 9 and 15 are the weakest. 65 and 200 are the strongest. I am out of CYTK at 28.50. CYTK. All right, this thing could really start breaking down now, right? I don't like it until we get to 25.70. So, Google, what do you think about bull bear traders? I'll tell you something right now. Okay. Let's see what we got. I mean, Google's having some profit taking too. I love Google long term. So, 2,300. 2,377 is a nice daily support level. And it's the weekly support level. So that would be a spot. My bottom line is I don't think about anyone outside of this room. Bull bear traders, Ross Cameron, Jason Bond. I don't care. I only care about the people in my room. I'm sure some of them are good. I'm sure some of them are not. But I only care about the people who are in my room. My private trading room is about full. I'm going to offer you guys to come in and visit for the rest of this week, but this is going to be the last week that I have any visitors in my room. We are full. So after this week, as far as my private trading room is concerned, we're closed to the general public, and I'm going to start a waiting list. Yeah, everything's ripping. What do I think of coin? Again, it's this is a horrible looking daily chart. You're going to have bounces, but it's horrible. It looks horrible. Long term, I probably like it around 150. Coin's at $219. And what did I tell you guys? Okay. Did I or did I not tell you that the VIXI is built to go down? That's what it does. Anytime the market rallies a little bit, it goes down. Right? So, guys, I would get out of most right here in the VIXI, and then we'll see if we can get another spike up and make some money. We only got to sell it once. I mean, 35.20 was a freaking home run. So I'd probably just get flat the VIXI here, guys. Okay? And we'll see what happens. Next move. Buy coin at 200. AMC sells short. AMC sells short. I don't even like 34.15 now. You know this thing, BB. If it gets going, it's going to get going. 35.50, I want to short AMC. Boom, chaka-laka. I got AMC at 31.29. Think I should just put it away for a few days. No, I would sell some, take profits, and raise my stop order up. That's what I would do. I was a visitor in your room last week. Can I have another 5 days for this week? Come on. Really? I said get flat the VXX here. I'm going to look what the next move is. We didn't have enough of it to make any difference. So just get flat here on the trend in VIXI. Mike. Taking advantage of my good nature. I have to take a poll in my room. I'll let you know before we leave. Remind me. Room, what's the verdict? Do we give Mike another 5 days? Fat thumbs down. I like Mike. Here's the gig, Mike. People are paying me $500 a month to be in my private trading room. And I give people one shots to come in for 5 days. Otherwise, it's not fair to the people who are paying. So I can't do it. It's just not fair to my regular people in the roomie. Look, it's only $500 a month, and you get my live boot camp. Boom chakalaka laka. We'll talk about that stuff before we get out of here. Yeah, again, there's no short in these things, guys. The whole market's just turning around now fantastically, as we thought it would. Richard hit his goal for the day. Yeah, I mean, listen, here's the gig too, right, Mike? 5 days should be enough to decide whether you want to stay with it or not. That's the bottom line. Space is just kind of hanging out. There's nothing to do. Long term is recovering again. Good. Insane, NVIDIA. Just insane. GameStop to the moon. Yes. Everything is rippy dippy. So we can't be short now. I mean, that's too dangerous. I don't want to be short. I mean, I'll short GameStop at 35.50. So we had a good ad in SoFi this morning at $15, guys. All right. So, I mean, it brought our average up to $15.65. That was nice. We should probably sell a little if we get back to $15.65. See what happens from there. I'm long for long term. In SoFi. I bought the room on my third day. Learned how not to lose a lot. Yes. I can see AMC 35.50, Adam. Yes. But that's what I'm saying. Just trim and trail. Take some profits. Raise your stop order. And your target could be 35.50. Yes. I mean, one of the biggest things I teach all my traders is to put money in the bank. Period. Especially when you're trading. Your longer term stuff is your longer term stuff, but put money in the bank when you're trading. That's what this is all about. What did I tell you about VIXI, guys? Right? Insane. 32.60 could be your out in VIXI. Matter of fact, I would get long VIXI at 32.60. So let's get out there. Down from 35. Boom chakalaka. They always do, theater guy. They always do. 32.51, I am buying VIXI for a trade. So certainly be flat by that, guys. That probably puts the spiders up, another 50, 60 cents from here. You have to understand, everybody, guy, UVXY, VXX are built to go to zero. They are never good long-term holds, ever, because the market always goes up over time. That's the bottom line. Myrna, I mean, I'm not trying anything till 299. Yeah, Chris, if you want to try that small. 299. Yes. Yes. Can I have 5 days? I'm new. I lost 2,000 in a 5,000 comp account. Here's the gig, Mike, and I'll tell everybody this. All right. What are you just doing? Options, Mike? Well, I have a very active day trading room. Right? And it's very difficult, and I'm just being honest with everybody, to actively day trade with less than either a proprietary trading account, which gives you 100,000 in buying power for $5,000, or a retail trading account. Very, very difficult. Because if you're only trading with like $2,000 or $3,000, you're not going to be able to do 99% of the trades that we do. You're just not going to be able to do it. And I'm honest with everybody. And I tell them that beforehand. Very difficult to trade when you don't have a lot of money in your account. It's hard, very difficult. APHI, AHPI. Again, we like AHPI, Jeremy. Buy it and put it away. Yeah, I mean, that's why, again, so a lot of people are going to look at charts like this and pick spots to short it. No, stock's not a short. 176, the stock could be a short. Nothing but a buy right now. First of all, a lot of people don't know what shorting is. AMC, we are shorting at 35.50, guys. I'll be a little short if it backs up from here, but I certainly like 35.50. Chakalaka. Swing trading, I'm very excited to be working with T3. Well, actually be able to. Yeah, there you go, Adam. Yes. Myrna missed by 20 cents. Keep your eyes on AMC right here, Adam. Okay? Because if it can't clear this, we could start heading back down, towards 33 and change. So keep your eyes on it here. Best case, we can hope go sideways here for a little bit and then break out to the upside. Yes, we do swing trading. Sometimes we do swing trading with options. That's how we did space. We did a swing trade with options. $0.50, guys. We'll cover those space options, or at least only have a little bit left here. VIXY, 3251 is our 65 EMA on a 5-minute chart, Mike. 65 EMA on a 5-minute chart, staring us right in the face. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. AMC could pull back a little bit from here. It's had a nice run up. It hit a little resistance at 34.20. So at best, let it just rest here a little bit. Look, if we keep going sideways here and then we break out above that, okay. Otherwise, we can head back to 33.20, 33.30. Bottom line, guys, is we do everything in this room. Our concentration is on day trading. We try to make a couple bucks a day. It add up on average to bigger amounts at the end of the week, the month, and the year. But we do everything. I help people with their longer-term portfolios. I try to, especially ones that are in trouble. Yeah, so it's about a couple of things, guys. I tell everybody in this room, the 500 people who are watching, trading is more about what's in between your ears than it is about what's on these charts. 100%. That's just the way it is. I have to learn all the money management skills first, which we did last week a couple of times. You might have to have permission, Adam, to trade it. But 90% of traders fail. There's 500 people in this room right now. 450 of you are going to fail. And I'm not saying it to scare anybody. I'm saying it because it's a fact. Only 10% of people who try to do this can end up doing it for a living. Number one reason, money management and knowing what to do once you get into a trade, which is the first thing that we teach anybody. You learn all your money management skills, you have a 50% better chance of succeeding right there out of the gate. 5 times better shot by just learning your money management skills. Don't average into stocks. Have a stop order in every stock that you do. If we have 3 losing trades in one day, we're done trading for the day. And most importantly, don't turn a winning day into a losing day. How many people in this room have been up at 10:30, 11 o'clock, a bunch of green money, and then ended up losing? Besides me. How many people? Give me a 1. How many times at 11 o'clock in the morning were you up 500, 600, 700, 1,000, 2,000, and ended up losing money? I blew a $180,000 account because I had no risk management. Yeah. You're right, Mike. Almost everybody has. But can I tell you something? There's no learning curve to money management. That's not something you have to study forever. That's not something that comes with time. I blew a $78,000 account. Once you have a money management lesson on the proper way to do it, it should be done. That's it. There's no learning curve. I tell people who have been really struggling or have just started doing it, 3 to 6 months is a good time frame. Literally. That's a good time frame to get a decent handle on it. Yeah, but it's all about money management. That's it. It literally gives you a 50% chance better of being a successful day trader. All right, we only have a few minutes left, so let me talk to you guys about a couple of things, okay? VIXY bouncing. Yeah, well, that's why we got out of it flat. Let it do what it's got to do now. There you go, Joseph. But nobody who's in my room should ever lose a lot of money on a trade. Nobody who takes our course should ever lose a lot of money on a trade. Bottom line. Now, we'll cancel the VIXY for now. Matter of fact, we're canceling everything for now. There's nothing happening. Nobody has ever blown up a trading account trading with me if they follow the rules. We simply don't have enough losing trades for that to ever happen. It just doesn't happen. I'd probably be flat everything right now, Gus. I don't know. Hold on to a little bit if you're in the money. Why does the stock go down after I buy it and it reverses after I sell? Stop it. Because you're not buying it at the right places, Alex. I mean, that's the only explanation. I can't tell you anything else. That's the only way that could happen. So let me talk to you guys about two things before we get out of here, okay? So as far as being with me, you have two choices. If you can't spend all day with me trading, this is it. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. This is the best trading course that's ever been curated. I mean, I am so proud of this. We did such a great job with this. It's over 6 hours of content. 6 hours of content, guys. And I think most importantly, okay, it comes with mentorship, which nobody ever does. So once you buy this course, here's what it looks like. Stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics. We set up all your charts, trading techniques, swing trading, options, Bitcoin, Q&A. Here's the most important thing. It's $447, our course. You get mentorship forever every Thursday night. Forever. Every Thursday night when you purchase our course, we give you mentorship for as long as we are here. Every Thursday night from 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time. If you miss it, because you can't be there, we have every one of them recorded. Oops, I missed that week. Go back. They're all at least an hour long. Every one of them. So you won't miss on anything on a Thursday night if you can't be there. This is the best course I've ever curated. The hell's that? Oh, I started a tape. So if you want to join our course and get me every Thursday night, we've discounted it by 10% to $447, and you could make 3 payments of $149. Boom, chakalaka laka. $447, guys, you're going to learn how to trade. Okay? You're going to learn how to trade, and I'm going to mentor you every single Thursday night. That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Bop on. I'll see you Thursday night. All right? This is solid. Definitely going to. Do I have to use your studies to join? Well, Joseph, what we do, okay, the studies that we use work for our trading techniques. But, you can use whatever you want. I'm telling you that what we do, it works for our trading techniques. Can't lose with GameStop. Tell that to the people who are long at $400, Jack. You can lose with GameStop if you get it in at the wrong time. I know a lot of people that are in the bag at 400, 300, 250, 200. A lot of people. So you can lose very easily in any stock. Myrna falling. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm staying away from Myrna for now. Market's coming in again. I mean, unless we have a 15 or a 30 in Myrna, right? Take a look. So WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, that's the course, okay? That's number one. What I'm going to do, number two. No, I don't want to buy space. We have our options. $29.70, Jeremy, will do it for a trade. That I like. Right? Being a little patient here now, guys and girls. I am not holding NEO. No. No. I'll discuss anyone who wants long-term portfolio. So, guys, I urge you, Wall Street Global Trading Academy, $447. You get me every Thursday night forever. Okay? Next thing I'm going to do for this week, and I'm telling you guys, this is the last week I'm having any visitors in my room. I'm going to start a waiting list next week. This is it. Simply go to greenroom-live.com. You can start doing it now. Hit the Zoom button, and you're into my room for the rest of this week. Okay? greenroom-live.com. You can start coming into the room now. This is the last week we are having visitors in my live trading room. That's it. Just hit the Zoom button and you're in the room. Okay? And the last thing I want to talk about, David Green's room is legit. I was a visitor last week and learned so much. Lots of helpful members. That's when I asked for another free week. When I can afford it, I'll definitely be a member. Thank you, Michael. Last thing I want to talk about is Benzinga. Okay? And to me, Benzinga is another trading tool as important as a moving average, as important as relative strength. The news service is impeccable and unmatched. The kind of scans that we can set up that pick stocks out for us is unmatched. I highly recommend that anybody who is seriously about day trading has to be a member of Benzinga. Benzinga Pro, they give a 2-week free trial, I believe, 2-week free trial. It is a must if you're going to be actively trading. So 3 things, guys. 1, jump on the course for $447. You'll have me forever, every Thursday night. Okay, if you can't be here every day. 2, come on into the room. I already see some people coming in. greenroom-live.com. Hit the Zoom link. 3, Benzinga is as important as any other kind of technical analysis you're going to use as far as trading is concerned. Okay? What I will leave everybody else with is, you know, if you're serious about learning how to trade, get to a place where they're going to teach you the right way. And I always tell people, go look. You know, you don't buy the first car you see. You don't buy the first house you see. I do not actively seek members in my room, ever. The only people who come visit me are people who are coming from Benzinga. That's it. Otherwise, the room is the room. And we're very happy where we're at. We do advertise the course because the course is being sold worldwide, guys. Worldwide, and it's doing very well, and it's the best trading. Here's the bottom line. You don't like a course, I'll give you your money back. How about that? Money back, 30-day guarantee. You don't like the course, I'll give you your money back. Boom, chakalaka-laka. AMC is probably a better buy down at 33 now, yes. Yes. Guys, I'll be back tomorrow. So we do every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday live with my Benzinga family. We'll see what the next move in the spiders are now. Yeah, listen, if you don't enjoy the course concept and you don't get what you think you need to get out of it, we'll give you your money back. I'm doing this for 35 years, okay? I'm 60 years old. I started working on the Florida New York Stock Exchange in 1985, and I retired in 15 years when I was 38 years old. Trading is the only thing I've ever done in my life. Aaron, you scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry, David. I snuck up on you.
I don't know how to do anything else. This is all I know how to do. Anyway, Adam.
Beautiful. All right, y'all. Well, go check out David on Green Room. I threw the link in the chat. Go check him out there. And we'll be back tomorrow morning.
Absolutely. Thank you, Aaron. See you tomorrow.
Smash that like for David, y'all.
Smash. I'll see you in the morning.
All right. Peace and love, Zinger Nation.
Over and out.